Hi friends! In today's art class, we're going to draw and learn about goats. Go ahead and get your supplies. You're going to need a pen or a marker, a piece of paper, and some colors. And remember, if I'm ever going too fast, you can hit that pause button. Let's draw! Goats are very social animals, and they prefer to be in groups called herds. They have a very strong sense of community and like to stay around each other for safety and for companionship. Did you know that goats have been domesticated for thousands of years? They are initially raised for their milk, their meat, and fiber, such as wool or cashmere. Goats have a unique digestive system, which allows them to eat a variety of plants, including some that are toxic to other animals. Great job following directions. Enjoy the music and a few more fun facts. Go ahead and hit that like button if you're enjoying this art lesson. Goats have a strong sense of smell and can detect scents from long distances. This helps them identify their herd members and things that they could eat. Goats are excellent climbers. Their hooves have hard outer shells that provide traction and support. They also like to climb up on little houses. Goats have rectangular pupils, which gives them a wide range of vision and helps them see predators that are coming up from the sides. Joining me today. Make sure you subscribe so that you're in the know for all the upcoming art classes, and make sure you check out the other art classes in this series. Tag Fit's art clips when you upload a picture of your artwork. Can't wait to see what you create. See you next time.